In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a sheet within a workspace in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently share a specific sheet with your team without affecting the rest of your workspace. Go ahead and open your browser and start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your Smartsheet account so you land on the main home screen. On the home page, you'll see a navigation panel on the left and your recent items or workspaces in the main area. What we want to do first is move into the correct workspace. Look for the section where your workspaces are listed. In this example, we're going to open a workspace called First Project. You might have a different name, but the idea is the same. Click on your workspace name to open it. Once the workspace opens, you'll see all the items stored in that workspace, such as sheets, reports, and dashboards. We're focusing on a specific sheet here called Project Sheet. Find the sheet you want to share within this workspace. When you see it in the list, click directly on the sheet name to open it. With the sheet open, you should now be looking at the familiar Smartsheet grid view. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a Share button. This is your main control for managing who has access to this particular sheet. Go ahead and click on the Share button. This opens the sharing window where you can add people and set their permission levels. At this point, you would normally type in the email addresses of the people you want to share the sheet with, and then choose the appropriate role, such as viewer, editor, or admin, depending on what they need to do. Take a moment to double-check that you're sharing the correct sheet and that the permission level matches what you want them to be able to edit or view. After you've finished configuring the sharing settings, look for the Done button in the sharing window. Clicking Done will save your changes and apply the sharing settings to that sheet. And that's it. You've navigated to your workspace, opened the specific sheet you want, used the Share button to adjust access, and confirmed everything by clicking Done.